Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a warm toned makeup tutorial, and as you guys know, I already have my eyebrows drawn out. I cannot tell you how to draw your eyebrows on your face structure, but what I can tell you is that I use a dark brown pencil by Wet n Wild to draw my eyebrows. And in this particular video, I'm using a Wet n Wild concealer in the color Warm Tawny. And I'm going to use it above and underneath my eyebrows and even on my eyelids. And I'm just going to take a small beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that thing out, you guys. Take your time and blend your makeup. The more you blend, the better it will look. If you mess up and erase a little bit of your eyebrow, it is such an easy fix. All you have to do is finish blending out your makeup and then just take your pencil and go back and correct the little areas that you did mess up, as I am doing in this video. You can see where I just messed up just a tad bit, not too much, just fill it right back in. So now I'm applying my same concealer to my eyelids, and I'm just going to use a little bit of that, and I'm just going to finish blending that makeup out all over my eyelid. And then next I'm going to go ahead and start applying my eyeshadows. And you guys, I'm using my James Charles palette today to do my eyeshadows. So I lost a little sheet that tell me what colors these eyeshadows are, but I'm just going to hold it up so you guys can see. And I use that dark brown, that burnt orange, and then a really bright orange. And I also used a tan or nude looking color in the upper brow. So first, I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to dab on a little of that dark brown in the crease of my eyes. And I'm going to apply that to both sides of my eyes. And then I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm just going to blend those out for you guys. Okay, so if you're new to blending your eyeshadow out, always work your way from the out going inward. It will help you blend better. For me, it did when I first started learning how to do makeup. So I'm just going to blend using some small circular motions. I've been doing my makeup for a pretty good bit, so I just go back and forth or freestyle as to where I need to blend more. But I don't want to blend too much. I just wanted to blend it a little because I'm going to be layering my eyeshadows today, so it didn't need the extra blending that I normally would use if I was doing or going for a particular look. Once I finish blending this eyeshadow out just a little bit, I'm going to apply this tan eyeshadow on top of it, and I'm going to blend that downwards into that dark brown that I had used. As you can see, I didn't blend that out a whole lot because I knew I was going to be blending that tan eyeshadow into it, and I needed to leave just a little so that I can get that little mix that I wanted up under my eyebrow. After I continue to blend in the top part of my eyebrow, I'm then going to start layering my eyeshadow using that burnt orange color on top of that dark brown, and then I'm going to dab on that brighter orange color on the top part of my eyelid to kind of give it that ombre effect just a little bit, not too much. So to me, this is kind of like, I don't know, I call it my little messy eyeshadow, where I'm just basically layering colors to give it that fade look. So no cut crease, nothing like that. Something simple, cute that you can do at home. It's very easy and beginner level friendly. So if you're really just trying to learn how to blend your eyeshadows and stuff like that, this is something you can do to quickly learn how to start layering eyeshadow and blending out eyeshadow, because it doesn't take too much and you can do little blending or you can do as much blending as you would like. By the way, as you guys can see, your girl has gotten even more thicker since the last time I have made some YouTube content. So I am going to be trying a new new eating lifestyle where I lose 100 pounds in 35 weeks. I'm going to start on April 25th, 2022. And I want to try and see if I can accomplish my goals. I will be posting weekly updates on my weight loss, such as my waist measurements, the weight that I am this week, also what I ate and things in that nature. So make sure that you guys come back and check out my weight loss content. I'm going to post the entire journey, whether I continue it, I quit in the middle, I have my hard days, my good days. I'm going to post it all for you guys to see. Hopefully it motivates somebody else to start their journey. But to me, it's going to be a little challenging, I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to push through for you guys. So make sure you guys check that out. So today, also in this makeup look, I decided to do my makeup a little backwards. Normally I do my foundation and then my concealer, but I wanted to try something new to see if it worked better for me. So I'm using my LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I just applied it down the bridge of my nose, up under my eyes, and on my chin. And I'm just going to blend that out for you guys. As you can see in this video, I'm using a little beauty blender up under the eyes to see if it will help me blend a little better. And then I'm going to take my big beauty blender and blend it out some more up under my eyes and on my chin. And after that, I'm going to apply my foundation and blend it out as well. So I know y'all are looking at me like, what the heck is she looking at? Y'all, I was watching TV while doing my makeup. So excuse me if I keep looking off to the side, but yeah, that's what I was doing. So now I'm applying that foundation that I explained to you guys that I was going to apply. And this is Fit Me 360 is the color that I use. Normally I use their matte foundation, but this one is dewy smooth. So it, to me, it applies like it's giving me oil. Like it's really oily to me. I'm used to that more dry feel with the matte look, but I can say I do get better coverage using the dewy because I have dry skin. So my skin is sort of a mix, but I can say that I do like the dewy better than the matte foundation. And I just still use my NYX matte finish setting spray to set my face at the end, so I still get that matte look. But as you can see, it gives me really good coverage, and the color of my skin is a perfect match to the foundation that I use with them. So now I'm going to apply my Fit Me 332 powder and set that concealer that I applied before my foundation. And then I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop to contour the rest of my face. And you guys, at this point of the video, I was like, okay, I'm kind of feeling, you know, the concealer before the foundation. But I was like, let me finish blending this out and see how my makeup comes out at the end before I just say, you know, I'm going to use this in my everyday routine. But to me, so far so good. It isn't looking horrible like I thought it would. So y'all, I was low-key kind of feeling it, but I'm still was gonna, wait until I finish my makeup to see if I really liked it the way it looked. But I can honestly say, so far so good, so I can't say anything bad about it just yet. Also, after I applied this contour and my powder to set that concealer, I'm going to take a huge powder brush and just blend off that excess makeup that I applied, and to just give it that full blended look to where it doesn't look real powdery or cakey. So now that I'm done blending out that powder, I'm going to use my Fit Me blush in the color Wine to apply that on my cheekbones. And I use it going from the upper part of my cheekbone all the way down to the lower part. And then I'm going to top it with my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow in the color Bronze Glow, just to give me a little bit of highlight on my nose and on the top of my cheekbones. So once I finish applying all of that, you guys, I am going to just apply my lip liner and finish up the last little bit of this look. And unfortunately, I am not yet comfortable with putting on my lashes and eyeliner on camera. So I'm just going to finish applying the last little bit of my makeup, and then I will go off camera and apply my lashes and my eyeliner. And then I'm also going to apply my NYX Matte Finish Spray. And then I will let you guys see the complete and final look, because I just can't. I don't know what it is. I just can't. And besides, when I put on my lashes, you guys will only see the mirror. So hopefully one day, but not just yet.